5 daily habits that keep your muscles strong. Maintaining strong muscles is crucial for overall health and well-being. Whether you are a sportsperson, a fitness enthusiast, or simply someone who wants to stay active and healthy, incorporating daily habits that support muscle strength is essential. By implementing these habits into your routine, you can ensure your muscles remain healthy and strong for years to come. 1. Regular exercise routine. One of the most effective ways to keep your muscles strong is by engaging in a regular exercise routine. Incorporating both cardiovascular exercises and strength training sessions into your weekly schedule is vital for maintaining muscle mass and strength. Cardiovascular activities such as running, swimming, or cycling help improve blood flow to the muscles, while strength training exercises such as weightlifting or bodyweight exercises help build and maintain muscle mass. 2. Proper nutrition. Balanced diet rich in protein, carbohydrates, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals is essential for supporting muscle health. Protein, in particular, plays a crucial role in muscle repair and growth. Include lean sources of protein such as poultry, fish, tofu, beans, and legumes in your meals to provide your muscles with the building blocks they need to thrive. 3. Adequate rest and recovery. Rest and recovery are just as important as exercise when it comes to maintaining strong muscles. During exercise, tiny tears occur in the muscle fibers, and it is during rest periods that these fibers repair and grow stronger. Make sure to prioritize adequate sleep, as this is when the majority of muscle repair and growth occurs. Try your best for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support optimal muscle recovery and overall health. 4. Post-workout recovery strategies. After a strenuous workout, it is essential to implement post-workout recovery strategies to support muscle recovery and reduce soreness. Cool down properly after exercise by engaging in light aerobic activity and stretching to help prevent muscle stiffness and improve flexibility. Consider incorporating foam rolling or massage therapy into your post-workout routine to help alleviate muscle tension and promote blood flow to the muscles. 5. Consistent hydration and stretching. Hydration and stretching are often overlooked aspects of muscle health, but they play a crucial role in supporting muscle function and flexibility. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining optimal muscle function, as dehydration can lead to muscle cramps, fatigue, and decreased performance. Make sure to drink water regularly throughout the day, especially before, during, and after exercise, to stay hydrated and support muscle function. Additionally, incorporate stretching exercises into your daily routine to improve flexibility, prevent muscle imbalances, and reduce the risk of injury. For more information, visit the links in description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.